Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are opening my July Petit Vour box. I am not wearing anything I need to tell you guys about, so let's go ahead and get right into it. The card this month is really cute. This is probably one I'm gonna keep on my little bulletin board. It's this blue ocean or, you know, waterscape with all these cute little overhead view people in the water. I think it's adorable. That's super cute. Oh, and the air conditioner is on. Once again, sorry about that. It is what it is. We're getting 4 products this month, so let's go ahead and just pull the first one all out. This is from Han Skincare Cosmetics. It's the Skin Firming Serum. 1 fluid ounce. Here's what that looks like. So this is a $28 value. And it says, smooths and brightens dull skin to reveal healthier looking skin. Natural fruit acids gently refine and smooth skin by dissolving dull cells, oil, and cellular debris. 30 milliliters. So pretty cool. Now, of course, with anything that goes on the face, we need to read the ingredients. So I'm going to browse those real quick and be right back. So surprisingly enough, this actually doesn't have a terrible ingredient list. There is lemon extract like partway through, and then orange extract. I can live with an extract as long as it's not straight oil. Now if it's super fragrant, it's gonna go, but since it's an extract, I'll give it a try. I'm surprised the expensive item isn't so bad. Very unusual. The next item is by Rosie Jane, and it's Layla Lou. So let's see. By Rosie Jane is the brand name. The perfume is called Layla Lou, and it's a $1 value for 1 milliliter. Now that is more on par with what I would call the value of these things. When it says they're like anywhere between $2 and $5, I think that's insane. Anyway, contains notes of pear jasmine and freshly cut grass and feels like your favorite pair of blue jeans and a white tee. Sexy, casual, and everyday. I love the description of that. I also like this very sleek, chic little packaging. Let me go ahead and get it off of here and open it up, see if we can smell it. I'm not going to put it on because I am heading out this evening, but let's give it a sniff. It smells like something. I'm getting like nostalgic vibes for some reason. It's taking me back somewhere, but I can't place it. But that smells really good. I am definitely going to give that a try. So 2 for 2 so far, even though this was like $1. Still counts as 2 for 2. The next item we have is from Evio Skin, and I think I actually have one of these downstairs with like my purse stuff. This is the Hemp and Peppermint Lip Serum, and it's in the color Speak Up, I guess. Is it colored or is it just clear? Let's take a look. Yes, this is like, well, it'll probably just appear clear on the lips, but it's kind of a very, very fair pinky tone. I don't know if it'll really focus it on that, but it'll just add a little something to the lips so they're not just glossy. Very pretty. So this is an $18 value, packed with the healing power of hemp and peppermint, high in vitamin F to repair the skin barrier and form a seal over the lips to keep moisture in. The soft balm texture keeps lips supple with a refreshing cooling effect. 10 milliliters. So I'm also not mad about that. I will definitely use this. I love that there's a little something to it, but it's not a super bright color, so you could still apply this without a mirror on the go. This will definitely end up in my purse items like the other one, but for now it's gonna live with my glosses, chapsticks, lip balms type things that are all kind of the same, like treatment-y things. I have a whole section for those, so every time I finish one I can just pull another one out. The last item, let's see, it's in this glass jar. This is the Plum Rose Glow Toner Hydrating Toning Mist from Petit Vour, 2 milliliters. So this is Must be a new one of their own items. They do have that plum oil too, which I actually really like the plum oil. Let's read about the toner. I don't think I'm going to care for this because of the rose. Don't like when anything is super fragrant and meant to be sprayed on your face. So this is an $18 value for 2 ounces. An ultra hydrating, brightening yet calming multivitamin for your skin, formulated with a soothing mix of rose plum and watermelon seed oils, moringa and green tea extracts, fermented radish fruit, and more. Now, this actually does not have the ingredients listed anywhere on it, so I'm going to pull it up online real quick and take a look. So I've pulled the ingredients up online. It does have rose water and jasmine, so I'm going to see if this will fit in the giveaway box, which should be coming up shortly. That will be in the July empties video. Be sure to check it out, and if it doesn't fit in that box, I'll just give it to a friend. So that is the whole box. 3 out of 4 isn't bad, especially with one of the most, well, the most expensive item being one of the items that I actually like. So I will weigh that in this judging, but I am kind of tired of getting these rose mist things. I got another one in the K&D box. Sorry if you could hear Austin downstairs sneezing. Yeah, but I got another one of these like rosy mist toner things in the K&D box. I'm kind of over it. Stop sending me these things, vegan boxes, please. If I can put that out into the universe. But I am very curious about this. I will use this. And this smells really good, so I'm definitely going to give it a try. I'm going to give it, because this is also a high value item, probably like a B plus-ish, since I am excited about this one. So, not the worst, but certainly not the best, but I am excited for the 3 products that I will actually use. So that's my opinion of this month's Petit Vour box. Definitely let me know what you thought about it down below. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, check out Amandaphenomenon.com linked down below if you are interested in any of my recent blog posts, because I have been posting more. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.